What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. As you saw in the last video, I think I solved the cable driven speed sensor issue. In this video I'm going to be doing the throwout bearing and getting rid of all the stuff I don't need for my cable clutch system. I'm going to be running the Hassport hydro to cable kit, or whatever it's called, and I already have a bracket made by Young Static on there, and that's going to come in clutch because I don't think that the one that comes with the kit from Hassport would even really work with my application. So let's get to it. So first things first, we're going to be popping off the slave cylinder. And since I'm running OBD0, I'm going to need to get rid of this reverse light switch. And I'll throw on the one that works with my wiring harness. Then I'm going to remove the old throwout bearing. Alright, so now we got our new throwout bearing, and Zeddy comes with its grease that you apply to the inside here and on the input shaft. Alright, make sure that's locked in there. That should be good. Now we're going to get to installing the hydro to cable kit, and this part right here bolts on right here where the OEM thrust mount would be at. Alright, so this is like the extent of the Hassport hydro to cable kit. It comes with a total of 4 bolts and 4 washers and 1 Allen key bolt. It's kind of obvious that these 2 go right here, and then the other 2 go with the starter bracket, or whatever this is supposed to be, and then this one goes with this piece. So that's what Hassport doesn't tell you. Moving on. So the bolts that come with the kit are going to be 19 millimeters. Just so you know. Shit. Maybe I got it on backwards or upside down. Again, it would just be cool if like there was instructions. Just saying. Sure, it should be pretty obvious, but I'm an idiot. I need instructions. Looks like you're gonna actually want to do this part first, because this is not it doesn't look like it's gonna work out that way. So again, Hassport, please include instructions. Alright, so I think that's pretty much it. Torque this down. After throwing this all together, I kind of thought about how I could reuse this boot right here, just because I want to kind of retain anything that's going to help keep this transmission safe from debris. And so I'm going to try to figure out if I can just kind of wiggle this on there. Alright, So you torque everything else back down, and that's going to be how you install the Hasport Hydro 2 cable clutch kit. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video where I blow my car up. Peace out.